Hi everyone, my name is Carole and I'm here today to show you my everyday makeup look. For me, as a busy mum with 3 young children and working as a nurse, I like to use products that are multi-purpose that I can use on my eyes, on my cheeks and on my lips. For me, my premise for everyday makeup is to keep the skin looking like my skin. I want to have that no makeup look and just add radiance and boost of hydration in the products that I use. So let's get started. So after I've applied my skincare, I like to go in with just a little bit of a skin tint. And for me, on an everyday basis, I like to use something very, very light and sheer and glowy. And today I'm going to use the Glossy Stretch Concealer. I think the most important thing when I'm doing my base is to blend. Even when you think you have blended it into your skin, blend it again. I think this is a really important trick when you want to get that traceless, everyday, no makeup look. I like then to go in with a little bit more of a fuller coverage concealer. And for me, the Rose Ink concealer is just perfect for that. Again, it's very important when you're blending any base product is just to keep blending. Even when you feel you have blended enough, just blend again. So then when I'm happy with how my base is looking, I want to add a little bit more depth and colour back in because at the moment it's quite one-dimensional. So when Pearl Beauty brought out the multi-purpose face and cheek sticks, I was sold straight away. For me, I love a cream bronzer and a cream blush. The Core Four for me have the most beautiful undertones. I think they work on anybody's skin tone, but for me, I was sold on Real Depth, which is this bronzy, for me on my skin tone, this bronzy shade with a hint of rose undertone, which just works on everybody's skin tone, but also makes them so useful that you can mix and match within the 4 shades. So for me, I like to use this product straight from the bullet, and I just like to apply it to where I normally apply my bronzer. So just around my forehead, down into my temple, and then I keep it quite high up on my cheek. So just directly below my cheekbone. And I just bring it back towards my ear. And then I bring it across my eye. I just like the look to blend to one. So then I get my brush and I just start blending. And you will see how quickly this blends. It just melts into the skin. It makes applying makeup so easy and so quick. I love makeup, but for me, it is not my priority in the morning to spend very long doing it. And probably why I like doing it so much is because I use products that really work, that add such glow straight away, just wakes up my skin, but are just so easy to use and just make putting on my makeup in the morning a joy. And I have been using it, I think, nearly every day since I bought this product. I just catch a glimpse of myself in a mirror and I can just see my skin. And I just love the effect it gives. It just gives that balmy look to the skin that continues to hydrate throughout the day. And isn't that what we want from our makeup? We want our makeup to look like our skin, the best version of our skin. And what's important for me is that it doesn't jeopardize anything else. I don't have to add a lot of product to get to where I want to get with it. It just allows my skin to shine through and just make the most of what I already have. So again, I like to just bring it across the eyelid very, very, very gently. And just I have my bronzer on, I like to go in with just a little bit of a rosy color on the cheek. So for me, I like this color. It is so beautiful. It's a mid-tone rose shade. And to me, put together is the best shade name for this. I feel my mum used to wear a colour like this, and that's how I feel when I put this product on. I just pop it to my cheek, then I get my brush, and I try and blend it up towards the back of my face, back up into that temple, so it just lifts everything up. So look how easy it is to blend. It just blends like a dream, and it has the most beautiful, beautiful, glowy, balmy finish. Again, with the brush, I can just pop it into my eye socket just to bring that look together. And it just looks beautiful over the eye. It keeps everything so glossy and hydrated and radiant. And in makeup, that's what I want. So again, on the other side, I can take it from the brush if I wish, and I can just pop it to where I want. So I'm going to keep it to probably not completely to the front of my cheek, midway back, and just blending it back into the temple. And again, up into the socket and the brow, and bringing it back out into the temple. And just to bring the look together, I like to add a little bit to the bridge of my nose, and then just sweep it down. Sweep it down the sides. So my brows and mascara has been applied, and now to finish off the look, I just like to go in with the shade Real Depth and apply it to my lips. It just has, I feel it is the perfect colour for my lips. It's my lips, but just a little bit better. And it just adds a little bit colour, and it's so moisturising. And that is it. So there you have it, my everyday makeup look. I like that my base is quite glowy. From using the multi-purpose face and cheek sticks, they just add that beautiful colour and glow and balminess. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial, and thank you to Pearl Beauty for allowing me to make this video. Thank you.